Hi Cancer, this is your next 7 days reading. I'm going to look at the energies for sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Cancer, and this is from the 11th to the 18th. I'm going to look at your energies to see what is happening in various aspects of your life in this short period of this week. So in your environment there is Three of Pentacles. So Three of Pentacles is a good card. This is a good energy. This is an energy of establishing a fundamental of a new situation, and the old situation which is clarified is showing that with the Death card and the Ten of Wands, something has ended in your life which was very heavy, which was burdensome, which was difficult, but it was completed and it is over, and a new situation has started already in your life. And this could be in your personal life aspect, family situation, or in your career situation, and you are getting all the support from the universe, from people around you, and your efforts are being recognized. You could be getting pat on your back, respect in this time period, and all through this week this is the energy around you. However, you also feel the injustice situation, so there is some justice reversed kind of energy. This could be internal, this could be external. So maybe you have gone through a legal process that has failed, or maybe you have gone through a situation where you expected some balance to come out for you, or a situation to work out for you in general way, or it could be a legal court matter, a permit, a permission which is not coming. So there has been a difficulty of some sort in getting this. This could be you could have been wronged by someone in the past. This could be also that you may have committed some mistake and oversight which you are avoiding. So this could be anything, but some for many of you it is something connected to government buildings, court, matter of pride, honor, that is being hurt in this time period, or a sense of being wronged is here. Okay, and with the Page of Swords, you are waiting for something, or some information. You are trying to read up on the matter, gather information regarding it, or you are curious for the next step. So there is a authority situation and illusion situation. So there could be a boss who might not be very clear to you, or there could be a person around you, could be your spouse, could be a very powerful masculine person, or a government institution, or a rules regulation which is creating some kind of shadow energy around you. So you could be expecting something from someone, and that is not being cleared yet, and you are feeling wronged in this matter. But very soon you are going to walk away from this. You are going to leave this situation. This could be in your personal life or professional. There is a departure from this thought, this energy, or you are not dwelling on it for long, because the Page of Cups is arriving. This is someone else telling you that there is a certain way you can fix this, or there is some kind of bailout happening, and you are trying to be creative, and that is succeeding. You are also in the Nine of Pentacles situation, that is you have enough, you are self-sufficient, and you could be having good sources of money. But there has been a situation which means that there is a karmic ending. There is a difficult situation that is coming to an end. Maybe a little bit is hanging here or there. You got to find the way, and in this week you are going to find the matter, the progress in the matter. That is what I see. In terms of your job or career, what I am seeing is the Fool and the Empress card. So the Fool and the Empress is a good omen. This is telling us that the old situation, or there is some kind of renewal, a leap of faith can be taken after some clarity. With the Empress card, you are ready to embark, launch, produce in this time period, and it is going to be connected to good things in life. And connection to abundance is definitely there, connection to growth is definitely there. So this is the energy I am getting in terms of your career. So you will be creative, you will be launching something new, you could be taking risk, you could be moving places, you could be starting a new job, whatever it is, and it is going to be a good thing for you, because you have gone through some endings. The final ending will take place, but you already know that it is over. You may have felt that the closure was not done completely, or there has been something bad, not bad, something wrong, or some kind of wronged in a situation kind of energy is there, but that is illusory, because you are going to take control with the Emperor. Think through this, find other options, and you are going to take it to a logical conclusion. This could be in your job situation, you are moving towards some kind of leap of faith towards a new place, new energy, new office, new job, new product. I don't know, it is going to happen. So in terms of your love life as well, you are taking a fast action with a Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, or a Pisces, or any fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or any cup sign, that is Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So there is going to be a leaving of matter, change of perception, starting with a quick energy. There can be a ending which is almost close, and with that there is a new situation with the Two of Cups. So new beginning is coming with a sacrifice of some sort. Fast decision will be taken, and new idea, new motivation, new passion can start. So this week, unexpectedly, what is coming to you is lot of bravery and strength. So any struggle that you are going through, any duality that you are going through, this is the card which will help you. This is the Force card, the Strength card. This will find you courage. This will give you energy of restraint. This will give you energy of compassion, and you are going to be very, very restrained, controlled, prepared for anything that is arriving or happening in your life. So you will be self-sufficient. Once again, I am seeing it in your love. You will not require anybody's help. You could be a single person or with a partner. You guys are doing well. A Knight of Swords energy is there could be a person coming and going, or there could be a person avoiding their responsibilities, but along with all these energies, you are self-sufficient, you don't require anything from anyone, and 10 of Cups will be achieved. So your business is all sorted, Cancer. That is what I am seeing. The Cancerian energy of 10 of Cups is going to give you great success, benefit in your personal life. Your dreams are very, very realistic, and you can reach them. That is what angels are saying. So final energy, your outcome energy, is the King of Swords and the Chariot. So the Cancerian, which is the Chariot energy, identified by the Chariot, the Cancer in this week will be very determined, very focused, ready to move on, ready to move away from stuck energies. Your own chariot is moving forward with proper willpower and determination. You will be triumphant, and with the King of Swords aiding you, could be another person or could be air in your chart, which is going to be harnessed. This is a very smart energy on a speaker, strategizer, consolidator, and a leader of the leader, a kind of leader who is very intellectual. So you will be informed, logical in your steps, and also very determined to move forward. So you are going to achieve a beginning, a purity, a pure love, pure success, pure energy of recovery in any matter is going to come to you, and you will feel very good. However, it is just a start. So that is what is happening. And with the high honor card, judication card, there could be a court matter. With the courthouse and judication, a ruling has been given, but you could be feeling displeased or less satisfied, but this is a high honor and respect for you. This is literally spelling it out. Or this could be that despite your feeling of being wronged, you will be recognized in different aspects of your life. You will get great respect and high honor. A gift or a blessing is coming for you, Cancer. So a gift or a blessing, a child, a something goes, something comes. So this could be that as well. So there is a possibility that for some time you could be challenged by a shadowy energy of the moon. In any case, there is a full moon energy in Scorpio on 12th of May. So there is going to be some upheaval or some kind of shadow, but you will see through this. You will be able to consolidate, you will be able to use your logical mind, and strength is with you. So strength, why strength is because your fifth house, actually your fifth house is the house of Scorpio, where the moon is going to be affecting you. So the fifth house is connected to our close relationships, our brothers, sisters. It could be connected to our children. So there could be small energies that will be affected in this time period, connected to general happiness in life. So there could be a problem in marital energies, but not too much. Some ending is taking place, but this could be ending of work or a deal or some kind of energy that can bring some dissatisfaction, but not big. So you can be assured that you will move on from this, and this is going to be for some time. So the great teacher energy is coming for you. So it is telling us that either through someone's advice or through your own energies, because the great teacher lives within you, you are going to realize that this whatever is happening right now in your life is a spiritual experience, and you are going to learn from this. So learn from this spiritual experience. By summer, by the months of summer, that is May, June, July, it's already come. So the summer months will give you the energies of basking and glorying, and will give you joy and light. So everything is going to be good. So with the stag energy, it is asking you to trust and thrive. Trust and thrive. Do not get into the illusory mindset, because illusory mindset can challenge the control that we have over our life. So the emperor and the moon is telling us to balance this energy, where emperor is stronger than the moon. So emperor will be able to control with neutral mindset, with power, with strength, this, and will be able to defeat this shadowy energy, which sometimes affects our moods and we vacillate. So this is the reading for you. I hope you have liked it. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can always contact me through the email ID in the description box to get their own specific readings if you want to solve any problem. Otherwise, you don't require my reading. You are doing good, and I hope every one of you do good and you don't need me. But this channel is there for subtle advice and a small effort to see what's beyond our current thinking. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.